Okay, so here is my Meepo Shuffle. It's supposed to be the V4 or whatever. There's the number and all that stuff. Shuffle S. And my serial number and such. This board is less than a year old. So it's fully charged. When I go to turn it on, I push the button. Nothing. But when I charger light green, right? When I plug it in here and do this, okay, you hear the beep. So it beeped like it's powered on. See, it's fully charged. Now when I do this, I'll turn on the remote. See, I've only got 96 miles on it, so it's showing it's connecting. So now watch the minute I unplug it, it goes dead. Nothing. It's just dead. And then even with the kickstart method, it doesn't work at all. Let's see again. Neither one works. So now it's just acting like it's possibly something to do with the battery. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, this board is less than a year. I still have the original box, all that stuff. That should be all the info. It should be all the info you guys need. Hopefully you guys can do something for me. Like I said, this board is less than a year old, so I'm a little frustrated. Yeah.